In the world of technology, bigger often means better. And the iPhone 16 Pro is here to prove just that. In the ever-advancing field of smartphones, Apple is once again pushing the envelope with the iPhone 16 Pro. One of the standout features of this new model is the increase in display size. With a shift from the former 6.1 inches to a more expansive 6.3 inches, the iPhone 16 Pro brings to you a larger canvas to bring your ideas to life. But it's not just the display that's growing in size. The new iPhone 16 Pro has an increased chassis size too. Now you may wonder, what does an increased chassis size mean for me? Well, let me tell you, it's not just about a larger screen for your viewing pleasure. This increase in size has allowed for some significant internal changes as well. One of the most notable improvements is in the realm of photography. The iPhone 16 Pro boasts improved optical zoom capabilities, a feature that photography enthusiasts will surely appreciate. This is likely due to the adoption of the Tetraprism 5X telephoto camera, a technology first introduced in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This means that you can now capture moments in greater detail from farther away, bringing a new depth to your photos. In comparison to its competitors, the size increase of iPhone 16 Pro might not seem drastic, especially when we consider models like Samsung's Galaxy S24, which has notably larger bezels. But as we delve deeper into the world of the iPhone 16 Pro, we realize that it's not just about size. It's about making the most of that size. The iPhone 16 Pro is not just about being bigger, it's about being better. It's about taking that extra space and packing it with features that enhance your smartphone experience. It's about giving you more power, more options, and more control. While the size increase may be subtle, it's the internal upgrades that truly set the iPhone 16 Pro apart. Stay tuned to learn more about these upgrades and what they mean for you. When it comes to smartphones, battery life is king, and the iPhone 16 Pro is ready to wear the crown. As the digital world grows, so does our reliance on smartphones. And in this realm, power is everything. The iPhone 16 Pro is stepping up to the plate, boasting an increase in battery size and improved power consumption. The question on everyone's lips is, can this new contender offer the longest ever battery life in an iPhone model? The whispers in the tech world suggest it's a distinct possibility. Many of the iPhone 16 Pro's components are set to benefit from improved power consumption. This isn't just a minor tweak, it's a significant leap forward in power efficiency. The most striking revelation is that this model is expected to tick over the 30-hour mark for the first time ever. Yes, you heard that right, 30 hours. That's a whole day, and then some. If this proves true, the iPhone 16 Pro will outshine its predecessor, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which already impressed with a 29-hour battery life. But here's the kicker. This increase in battery life isn't solely due to a larger battery. While the iPhone 16 Pro Max will indeed feature a 5% larger battery than its predecessor, other efficiency savings are expected to contribute to the device's overall battery life. So, what does this mean for you? More time to connect, create, consume, and conquer your digital world, all without the constant worry of finding the nearest power outlet. Let's not forget, this isn't just about longer battery life. It's about empowering you to do more with your device, and for longer. This potential power boost is just the tip of the iceberg. The iPhone 16 Pro models are also rumored to continue featuring 8 GB of memory. Plus, Apple has reportedly improved the manufacturing process of the device's titanium frame while reducing costs. With these enhancements, the iPhone 16 Pro isn't just a smartphone, it's a powerhouse. So are you ready for more power in your hands? Because the iPhone 16 Pro is ready to deliver. But the iPhone 16 Pro isn't just about size and power, it's also about performance. Diving into the heart of the matter, let's talk about the memory. The iPhone 16 Pro is set to continue with 8 GB of memory, a number that remains unchanged from previous models. While some may argue that more is always better, the reality is that 8 GB have proven more than sufficient for the tasks at hand. Whether you're editing a 4K video, playing the latest graphics-intensive games, or simply multitasking with dozens of apps, the iPhone 16 Pro is built to handle it all with ease. But it's not just about maintaining the status quo. Apple is also about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In that vein, they have reportedly improved the manufacturing process of the device's titanium frame. Titanium, as you may know, is renowned for its strength and lightness. It's the stuff of spacecraft and supercars. By refining the manufacturing process, Apple is ensuring that the iPhone 16 Pro isn't just robust and lightweight, but also exquisitely crafted with a precision that's second to none. And here's the kicker. They've managed to do all this while also reducing costs. That's right. Despite the high-grade materials and cutting-edge tech, the iPhone 16 Pro is poised to be more affordable than ever. It's a testament to Apple's commitment to delivering top-tier technology that's accessible to as many people as possible. So, what does all this mean for you? It means a phone that's powerful yet efficient, a device that's durable yet lightweight, a gadget that's high-end yet affordable. It's a harmony of contrasts that only Apple could pull off. With these specs, the iPhone 16 Pro is not just a phone, it's a performance beast. It's a device that's ready to take on whatever you throw at it and still come out on top. It's a testament to Apple's relentless pursuit of perfection and their unwavering commitment to you, their user. So buckle up, because with the iPhone 16 Pro, the future is not just knocking on the door, it's already here. The iPhone 16 Pro isn't just a step forward, it's a leap into the future. It's the harbinger of a new era where technology is not just about convenience but about revolutionizing our everyday experiences. As the seasons change and the leaves start to fall, so does the anticipation for the newest member of the iPhone family. The iPhone 16 lineup is expected to be unveiled, causing a ripple of excitement in the tech world. Imagine a world where your device is not just bigger, but better, where the boundaries of what's possible are constantly being pushed and redefined. That's the world the iPhone 16 Pro promises. The whispers in the tech corridors suggest an increase in display size from 6.1 to 6.3 inches. A subtle change, yet one that promises to enhance your viewing experience. But the real magic lies within. The increased chassis size and internal changes are rumored to offer increased optical zoom capabilities, thanks to the adoption of the tetraprism 5x telephoto camera. It's like having a professional camera right in your pocket. And let's not forget about the power. The iPhone 16 Pro is set to feature a similar-sized or even larger battery. An improved power consumption for many of the components means that the iPhone 16 Pro Max could offer the longest ever battery life in an iPhone. The current record sits at 29 hours, but we're on the edge of our seats to see if the iPhone 16 Pro Max will be the first to tick over 30 hours. And as we eagerly await the fall announcement, let's remember that the iPhone 16 Pro is more than just a device. It's a testament to the relentless pursuit of innovation. It's a glimpse into a future where technology is seamless, intuitive, and above all, transformative. Stay tuned for the iPhone 16 Pro, where the future of technology is at your fingertips.